Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel I2Tech World. Today we are going to again learn how to create another scene in Plotagon Studio. Okay guys, in the previous video I told you to I uploaded a video in which I was showing how to create an easy forest scene. Okay, so now I'm going to upload 3-4 videos in which we are going to learn to use different scenes and create different scenes in Plotagon Studio. Okay, guys, so today's video is a flower shop corner scene in which I have generated a story from ChatGPT. Okay, which is a blooming reunion. Okay, so in this two people, Clara and Jake, they are reuniting after a long time. Okay, so simple same steps which we did in a previous video. Select go to scenes, select the scene, select the flower scene. Okay, this also supports two characters. So go here, select one character here, select another character here, and and you are ready with the scene. Now only you have to fill the dialogues. Only you have to write the dialogues. And the most important thing, their expression, which speaks a lot in a small animation video. The expression is the most important thing in animation videos. Okay guys, so this is these two things we already learned. We are doing it again so that you are guys practice this and you can use all these scenes. How you have to use these scenes, you have to just go in the scene, select the scene, then add the characters, then add the dialogues. In the dialogue I taught you in the previous video, in this mic you can import your voice also. Okay, and then if you don't want to use your voice, if you want to use Plotagon Studios by default voice, you can use that also. But if you want that it should be a realistic voice, okay, like human speaking, very realistic voice, then you can team up with a girl character, a girl, and she can speak all the dialogues of the girl character, and you can speak all the dialogues of the male character. And then that video will become more and more realistic. Okay, guys, understood? So okay, so let's start this. What I did is that I've created two characters. Okay, these two characters are some of the characters are created by the Plotagon Studio, but some of the characters you can also create. That is also really amazing feature. Okay, suppose you want to create a character. Okay, uh, suppose in this scene, if I delete it and if I go here, if I say I don't want Anna, I want to create a new character, you can go create here. This is the amazing feature. You have to go, you have to select is it male or female. Suppose it's male, go here. Okay, and then in the male, you can select the facial. How will be his face? Is it going to be young or is it going to be old? His hairs, how his hairs will be like this, like this, like this, like this. Is he going to have any mustache? If you want, you can add mustaches. If you want eye color also, you can select eye colors. You can do, if you want specs, you can use all the specs. They have amazing collections of specs also. All kind of specs, cool type of specs. If you want to change dress also, they have amazing dress. Look like amazing dresses. Isn't these dresses really amazing? Yes, they are really amazing dresses. You can select pants, you can select shoes, you can select and the name and the color of the background, and then you have to go back to the first and then randomize, and that's it. You have created. After, if you say randomize, then it will create a random character, okay? But once you have created, then you have to just save this character. Randomize it is generating auto character. Okay. Okay. So this is how you can create your own characters also. Okay, guys. So now it's very simple. I selected this. I've added this. Clara, how? Clara, wow. It's been ages. From where I did get these dialogues, I got it from ChatGPT. I generated a small story, Blooming Reunion from ChatGPT. It's really easy. You have to generate a story. If you have your own story, that also you can use and create an amazing animation video in this. But if you don't have any story, then don't worry. ChatGPT will generate for you. Okay. This is the Clara. Wow, it's in ages. I just copy and just paste with the dialogue. Then it really has this dialogue copy and paste here. And you want to see how this video looks?
Clara? Wow, it's been ages.
It really has. What brings you back to this part of town?
Work, mostly. I got transferred back here a few months ago. I've been meaning to drop by, but I wasn't sure if you'd still be here.
Well, as you can see, I'm still here.
Yes, guys. So if you want to modify this expression that now this should be super excited, then this. If you want it to show, the character should show thumbs up and thumbs up sign. You can explore all these expressions also. And once you are done with all, where we have to go to save this, you have to go to render option. Go to this option, render video, select the resolution, and then render the video, and we are ready with the video, guys. Got it? Got it? Are you ready for this small video which we have generated in this video? Are you ready to see our video which we have generated? So let's go and see our video.
Clara? Wow, it's been ages.
It really has. What brings you back to this part of town?
Work, mostly. I got transferred back here a few months ago. I've been meaning to drop by, but I wasn't sure if you'd still be here.
Well, as you can see, I'm still here. The shop's still standing, and so am I.
It's great to see you. So, what can I do for you today?
Actually, I was hoping to get a bouquet. Something special.
For anyone in particular?
Yes, for someone very special. My mother. It's her birthday today, and she always loved the flowers from your shop.
That's wonderful. Let's make her something she'll love.
Do you remember the time we got lost in the woods during that school field trip?
How could I forget? We were so sure we knew the way, and then we ended up walking in circles for hours. I think that's the most terrified I've ever been.
And then we stumbled upon that hidden field of wildflowers. It was like something out of a fairy tale.
Yeah, that was a good day.
Here you go. I hope she loves it.
Thank you, Clara. This means a lot.
You're welcome. It was really great to see you again, Jake.
Maybe we could catch up properly sometime. I'd love to hear more about how things have been for you.
I'd like that. How about coffee next week?
It's a date. See you then.
See you then.